Hey everybody, Russ from ProSteamUK here. I'm going to introduce you to our commercial carpet cleaning service. This is hot water extraction, otherwise known as steam cleaning. And we are going to deep clean this carpet ready for the grand reopening of this restaurant on the 17th of May 2021. Lockdown is coming to an end, so we have to make sure that these carpets are clean and safe for the customers. So as you can see, the carpets are quite heavily soiled, and we're going to remove all that soil and grease and dirt and everything, and we're going to use a product to sanitize these carpets so they're clean and safe.